click on the Windows icon. Write Run and click on it. And write Steam flush config and click on OK. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Write ipconfig space bar flush DNS and press Enter. Now write net sh space windsock space reset and press Enter. Close the command prompt. Open Computer. Open Drive. Open Program Files. Select Steam. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Find the option of Read Only and make sure to uncheck it. And click on Apply. And click on OK. Click on Security. Click on Edit and select Users. Click to allow full control and click on Apply. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Windows Security and click on it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. In Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. In Exclusions, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and choose Folder. And make sure to select the Steam folder and click on Select Folder. Go to the Steam folder, scroll down, select Steam, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply and click on OK. Inside the Steam folder, open the Steam Apps folder. Select the Downloading folder, click on it, and rename it to anything. We can call it Folder, and press Enter. And close the Steam folder. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Run and click on Run. Write Local AppData and click on OK. Find the Steam folder and open it. Select everything inside the folder, right-click it, and click on Delete. And agree. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Date and Time and click on Date and Time Settings. Check the option to automatically set the time zone. Check the option to automatically set the time. Scroll down and make sure to click on Sync Now. Go to the Steam folder. Now select all of the folders except Steam Apps and delete them. And select all of the files except SteamX and delete them. At the end, the folder should look like this. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. And make sure to install the latest updates. Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write CMD. Right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Write CHKDSK space bar F and press Enter. If none of this works, uninstall Steam and install Steam again. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.